Blue Nile Analytica empowers institutions and individuals in Africa to meet the global demand for data science professionals in the job market. The company aims to propel Africa towards the data revolution era. We offer training to university students, tertiary institutions, and highly motivated high school students. Blue Nile has qualified, well-trained technical instructors and experienced data scientists who will take you through the training. Blue Nile Analytica offers certificate, diploma, and postgraduate courses in data science and postgraduate diploma in artificial intelligence and machine learning. We also offer free virtual courses in Python programming, Python for data science, advanced Excel functions, basic statistics with NumPy. Registration is ongoing. To register, visit our website www.bnaanalytica.org.
Mr. Pius, we have just done an interview in the morning. What is up now?
Oh, thank you for asking. So I'll be doing 2 interviews per day because we have 2 classes. We have classes targeting those trainees from the African countries, and this is headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya, in the east coast of Africa. Then we have the second class, which is based in North America, and we are targeting trainees from Mexico, United States of America, and Canada. So each of the regions need to have an update. So this afternoon, the update is for the class for the North American region, which is just starting in a few minutes time from now. In this class, we have around 20 students or 20 trainees in the group, and we expect most of them to turn up for today's class. We'll be accepting enrollment up to Friday next week, after which we'll close the enrollment and embark on some serious teaching for the next 14 weeks. So for this group also, I want to give an update on the interns. Intern number 1 is Yvvon Majala, who has just concluded her bachelor's degree from Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology and is waiting to graduate. Yvvon also holds a postgraduate diploma in data science and business analytics from the University of Texas at Austin. In this particular course, she did a lot of projects in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Yvvon will be our new class administrator for Python North America.
Hello, my name is Yvvon Majala. I hold a bachelor's degree in IT from Masinde Muliro University that is found in Kakamega, Kenya. I also hold a postgraduate diploma in data science and business analytics from University of Texas at Austin, found in the United States of America. I am currently on internship as an assistant technical instructor at Blue Nile Analytica. I give technical assistance to data science instructors, and as part of my duties, I ensure that all our BNA's trainees are comfortable in class when the lessons are in progress. I work remotely for Blue Nile Analytica in North America from my hometown in Kakamega. After being mentored and trained by Director General of Blue Nile Analytica, I support and embrace Jitumela initiative by the Ministry of Education and Ministry of ICT and Digital Economy of the Government of Kenya. Jobs outsourcing works, and I challenge the youth to pick up this concept. Blue Analytica offers such trainings for free. Thank you.
Intern number 2, Peris Wanjiru Wairimu, who is a 3rd-year student from Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, and she's taking agricultural and biosystems engineering. Paris is going to be our management trainee for Python programming track. She's going to be on training for the next 1 year, and by the end of the training, she shall have acquired licenses or certifications for the following courses: DSM 001, Advanced Excel Functions; DSM 002, Python Programming; DSM 003, Python for Data Science; DSM 010, Business Statistics with NumPy; DSM 006, Advanced Python Programming Associate Level; DSM 006A, Advanced Python Programming 1, Professional Level 1, and DSM 006B, Advanced Python Programming 2, Professional Level 2.
Hi, my name is Onjiko Wairimo. I am an agricultural and biosystems engineer by training and a data scientist by passion. I am currently a data science intern at Blue Nile Analytica, where I hope to inspire the next generation of data scientists. My role at Blue Nile Analytica involves providing technical assistance in Python programming for analyzing data, that is Python for data science. It also involves collaborating with institutions all over the world to implement data science projects in descriptive, prescriptive, and predictive data analytics. And guess what? All these skills I will be getting for free as part of my job training at Blue Nile Analytica.
The third intern is Rosedebra Opiyo, who is a third-year student in computer science at the East Africa University in Kajiado, Kenya. Rosedebra Opiyo is going to be our is going to be our management trainee for website administration.
My name is Rosedebra Opiyo, and I am a third-year student studying for a bachelor's degree in computer science and information technology at the East African University, which is located in Kajiado County in Kenya. Currently, I am on attachment with Blue Nile Analytica as a website administrator, and as part of my job, I ensure that all information on the Blue Nile Analytica website is accurate and up to date.
Now, having said that, I want to let our potential customers know that my job as the lead curriculum designer for data science courses is to mentor the next generation of data scientists. BNA curriculum has been designed to incorporate the academic and the needs of the industry, and is 70% hands-on.